Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is livestock farming. Let's start. What is the livestock farming? First of all, we are discussing about the livestock farming. Livestock farming is an activity involving the raising and the breeding of the domestic animals. Next, that primarily aim to meet human needs for the animal products. Next, words on farms. Livestock, animal feed, enclosure and equipment. Next, what benefits can be derived from the farming? As a source of food, livestock farming provide the vital source of food for human. Livestock produce meat, milk, eggs and the other animal product that are source of protein, vitamin and the mineral essential for the human nutrient. It means that we are getting benefit from the farming in the form of food like meat. We get meat from the buffaloes, goats and the other animal like camel or chicken that we are used in our diet as a daily food. And next, that is the milk that is also come from the buffaloes, goats and the cows. And the next, eggs come from the chicken, and there are also good source of protein and the other animal products that are the source of proteins. They having vitamins and the minerals. They are essential for the human nutrition and the human diet. Next, that as a source of income, if we are using livestock as a business, we are getting a source of income from livestock on domestic level. Livestock farming can be stable source of income for farmers. Selling animals products such as meat, milk and eggs can generate revenue that can be used for the daily living expenses and the business development. They also stable their economic. They also help in generating their income on their daily basis and also on the annual basis. Next, what should be prepared to start a livestock farming? First of all, we require the land, and then other is the various types of the livestock. Next, infrastructure include your equipment, water supply system, health facilities that are required for the farming, they having to protect their animals from many diseases, and feed and the storage facilities, and the other that are the labor. Livestock product, if we are discussing about the livestock product, that they are, first of all we get meat from the animals, and then second one that is the milk, cheese and the eggs. These products are also come from the livestock. Next, question answer section. Don't hesitate to ask any question. Comment section is open if you have any question. Write the question in comment section. Next, thank you so much for your listening. Keep watching and Allah Hafiz.